Hi friends, let me show you my new arm for grooming and cleaning my pets. So easy to put it together. It's all stainless steel and this will allow you to put your dog in a table and keep it calm so you are able to groom it, to wash it, to dry it, whatever, okay? Let's put it together. You can use any table that will fit these brackets, and you will use the long ones for the vertical poles, okay? These ones have these holes, so you are able to put your dog like this, okay? And that's it, you're ready, okay? Let's bring the pets. So when you are ready to work with your pet, you are going to use this leash. So when you are ready to work with your pet, you are going to be able to do it, and he will be comfortably here in the table. He won't move because the leash will make him stay. And this is a great arm to work with your pets. You can work with small pets like this. You can put it up and work with bigger pets, okay? So if you love your pets and you like to groom them, this is a great accessory for you. Turn any table into a grooming station for your pets. Thanks.